Fighter will block kick and simultaneously grabbing opponent's leg with same side arm. Fighter will then switch opponent's leg to other arm while pulling leg up. Then step inside and low kick to sweep. Block, catch leg and lift. Then take one step inside, and with the other leg, kick the back of the calf. Fighter will kick the body, opponent will block. Fighter then fakes body kick, plants leg in center of opponent, then twists the body slightly to kick other side of opponent's body. Then brings leg back to starting position and kicks body again. Fighter will kick the body. Opponent will block. Fighter then fakes body kick, plants leg in center of opponent's. Then twists body slightly to kick the other side of the opponent's body. Then brings the leg back to starting position and kicks the body again. Fighter will slide to outside and throw side kick. Then when opponent tries to advance, throw other side kick. Fighter must snap kick to generate power. A push kick will be ineffective. When opponent throws a body kick, fighter wants to step outside and at the same time catch the kick. Then throw away opponent's leg and return with a body kick. When fighter catches the kick and throws away, opponent's back will be turned. This will give the fighter the choice to kick back or head or leg. 1 back, 2 leg, 3